Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Irfan and in this video we are going to see ground penetration radar test, and this is the fifth type of non-destructive test of concrete. So let's see what it is. See, it is a geophysical method that uses radar to image the subsurface. See, in this method what we will do, we will use the radar to image the subsurface, means under the ground. If you want to take the image of underground structures, subsurface structures or subsurface layers, so we will use radar, and this radar will work, or it will involve transferring the electromagnetic energy into the ground. Means this method will work on the principle of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic energy will be transferred into the ground, and because of that we will get the images of the subsurface by using the radar. And see, this GPR, that is ground penetration radar test, uses high frequency radio waves. The type of waves we use in this method are radio waves, which varies between 90 megahertz to 2000 megahertz. Remember this, the range of these frequency radio waves will be high frequency radio waves, and that range will be in between 90 megahertz to 2000 megahertz. And in GPR, an energy in the form of signal is transferred into the ground, and which is encountered by the cracks. What we will do, we will transfer a form of energy. That form of energy is nothing but electromagnetic energy. So we will transfer that energy into the ground, and it will be encountered by the cracks, and this signal may be reflected, or it may get refracted or scattered back to the surface, and that will be received by the antenna with the variation in the return signal. What we will do, we will transfer the electromagnetic energy, or we will transfer the signal into the ground, and that signal or that energy will be reflected or refracted back or scattered back to the surface, and that will be received by the antenna with the variation in the return signal. Then the reflected signal which is returned to the receiving antenna is displayed as the waveform, as a voltage variation. What we will do in this method, the reflected signal is returned and it will be received by the antenna, and that it is displayed as a waveform. A wave will be formed, and that waveform, in the form of wave, we will get these signals. And see, the depth of penetration of these radar waves is 15 meter in case of dry sandy soils or massive dry material such as granite or limestone or concrete. So the depth of penetration of these radar waves will be 15 meter in case of such materials. See, GPR antennas are in the contact with the ground. These GPR antennas will be in the contact with the ground for the strongest signal strength. We want strong signal because we want the data collection. So more the strong the signal, more data or more clear data will be achieved by us. So what we will do, this GPR antennas will be in the contact with the ground, so that our signal what we will be getting, it will be strongest. Now let's see what are the applications of this GPR, that is ground penetration radar test. The first is non-destructive testing of pavements and structures. See, in this method we can test, or we can detect, locate various cracks, defects, flaws in the concrete structures, especially in pavements and structures. What we will do, we will just put that radar GPR penetration radar equipment over the concrete surfaces, say on the pavements, and then we will measure, or we will detect various properties of the concrete, as you can see in the picture. Then locating the minerals and metals resources, we can locate various minerals, various metals which are available below the ground. Then locating the underground utility lines, whether there is a sewer line passing or not, whether there is water line passing or not, that we can detect by using the GPR test. Then to study soil properties and bedrock, we can study various properties of soil and bedrock by using this test. Then the next application is for mapping archaeological features and cemeteries. We can prepare the map of archaeological features by using this GPR. Then detection of mines and tunnels, we can detect mines, whether there are mines, how much is the depth of mine or tunnels, that we can detect by using this method. Then measuring scouring around the bridge foundation, as we know that around the bridge foundation there are chances of scouring, silting. So we can measure the depth of scour, how much is the depth of that scour near the foundation of that bridge, we can measure that. And last function it has it, measuring the thickness of sea ice. If you want to measure what is the thickness of sea sea ice in the sea, so we can measure by using this method. So these are the applications of GPR. So this was the video about ground penetration radar test. Thank you.